Wow, this is a beautiful spot. Dito yung parang bar kitchen nila area. And yan yung view. Then ito yung main kitchen nila. Order. Then this spot is very nice. Habang nagko-coffee ka, indoor yan. Yan yung background mo. Habang uminom ng kape. Wow. Breathtaking view. Then outdoor, the best din. Then yung bar area nila, baba, meron silang spot. Then, and again, ganda ng spot, very nice. May view na naman. Then outdoor area sa labas, nice. Wow, look at this. And this is our family. Picture! Nag-order pa yung iba. Alright.